Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below, so definitely click that link. If you like this item, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship it to you fast. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. So let's see what's inside. And like I said, if you like this item, click that link down below. Add it to your cart and check out. Easy peasy. This is coming from... Not sure who. Alright. Let's see what's inside. Bada boom. Bada bing. Dental calculus remover. Coffee stains. Dental plaque. Dental calicus. Smoke stains. No vibration. USB chargeable LED light. Safe and convenient. Smart memory. IPX6 waterproof. Ultrasonic tech. 5 modes. Alright. Really cool. So, might want to pick one up these for yourself. A family member. Here we go. It's always going to have a couple of them on you. Especially if you travel a lot. Or doing truck driving. So you might want to think of them. Maybe your UPS driver. FedEx driver. Big truck drivers. Oh boy. We got some goodies in here. Oh, these are handy. It's always good to have extra. Just to look underneath your tongue and stuff. Your nose. Alright. USB. Bada boom. That's nice. La. Look at this. I like the color. I'm liking that. Whoa. Careful and sharp. Don't want to poke yourself. But these are replacement blades and a tool to get it removed to replace it with. So that's really cool. Get a nice little package deal right here. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So there's your little wrench, and you get 2 replacements. Don't need to replace it right now. Don't need to use it right now. I'll show you how it works though. Just not sure whose the name is coming from. It's weird. Tips. Yeah, see right here. You just take the wrench, twist it in the middle, and boom. And there's where you could clean it in between the cracks. Just be careful doing it. Make sure you got kind of steady hands. It'll be alright. It's a power button. Ooh. I see the light. And these are soft, normal, middle, strong, super strong. Oh, cool. Feel it a little bit. you go. Yeah, it's crazy. So like I said, YouTubers, all you gotta do is click that link down below. Check them out. There you go. There's where the USB goes. Charge it up when you need to. This thing might be coming close to its end to charge. There you go. Normal. Here it is. Nice little flashlight. Pretty bright. Alright, YouTubers, definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below. And then whenever you have some time, all you gotta do is click the link. Check it out. Alright, be safe. And have a good night. And see you guys soon. Be safe.